had just recording the lake, the water pan across.
Two tadpoles.
Oh yeah. It's tadpoles, was it fish?
So many.
Wow, look at them all.
Crazy enough. They're all over there, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't think I'll pick them up.
Well,
Oh man, there's a ton of them.
the size. Something big on them.
Yeah. Let's do get him frisky over here. Look,
Oh,
join together.
zoom. Let's get them away.
I want their private time.
Oh wow.
Stand himself, look, on the stick. Got him. Loads of them. Is it the seed pods in the gorse cracking?
For what?
I think it's the seed pods in the gorse making that cracking noise. The sun's doing it.
It's just chilling.
I suppose I should talk to my audience really if I'm doing a vlog.
Hmm?
I should talk to my audience if I'm doing a vlog. Hey everyone, how you doing? Dorset Bumpkin is here. It's been a while since I've done a vlog, so I thought it's high time I started recording for you guys again and uploading some new stuff to my channel. So yeah, I'm over here at the Studland Nature Reserve with Nathan, my oldest boy. It's a really hot baking day. We're just going for a nice little walk over here, exploring a little bit, watching some dragonflies and goodness knows what, just enjoying nature. And this damselfly really likes being filmed. I can find it again. So we're just over by, it's like a little big lake. That's how to describe it. Let's walk over here so I can show you it. Bit of a hidden gem. But this is it. You can see in the distance over there is the main road from the ferry up to Studland and on to Swanage. But yeah, it's really beautiful, really peaceful here. We've deliberately gone off the beaten track away from everybody because the beach is packed, obviously, because it's a hot day, like I say. And we don't do the beach, not that at all, not during busy days. Walks, maybe, but not during the day on hot days. Very boring just laying on the beach all day long. But as a personal opinion, I'm sure there's loads out there that love doing that, and that's entirely up to you. Not for me, everyone, not for me. Yeah, so we're just going to continue walking. And I'll just film randomly as I see fit, I guess. Speak to you later. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this, everyone. It's just caught our eye. It's a gorse bush, literally covered in spiders' webs. Really cool. Like a covering of silk all over it. Nice. Where's the owner of the web though? Probably multiple owners, I'd imagine. Hello spiders, where are you? There's ants all over the bush. Looks like there's slug and snail scum on there as well. Yeah. Oh well, that was interesting. Well, I thought so anyway. So yeah, we're just heading toward the hills. See in the background now, that's the Purbeck Hills. I don't know if we'll get there today. Probably not, it's quite a long way. It's further than it looks actually. But we're going to go this way. I think the aim is to reach at least Studland Village today. That's probably going to be our marker, which isn't too far away, I don't think. So yeah, we'll keep up this path, and again I'll film anything that's interesting, which is nothing right now. Hi guys, welcome back. We finally found a proper walk after a couple of false starts and being dead-ended a number of times. We've gone through lots of water, got wet feet. We're now experiencing sandy feet. Yeah, a couple of dead ends, but we seem to have on a route now, proper walk, proper marked walk, which I think is going to take us to Knoll Beach, which is cool. And what's important is it's avoiding the naturist beach or Studland nudist beach, because we didn't want to go down there. We really didn't want to walk down there, but it seemed like everything we tried to do was leading us towards the beach, and no matter how hard we tried to avoid it, we still found ourselves back there. But now this little walk is a lifeline. We don't have to worry about seeing all those sort of unpleasant things that we don't want to see. And we're heading towards, I'm guessing it's going to be Knoll Beach that comes out on. My guess anyway. But we'll see. So yeah, just thought I'd jump on, say hi again, let you know what's going on, and show you the walk that we're on. It's still a really, really lovely, gorgeous hot day. We're probably going to be really sunburnt and stuff later, but hey ho, never mind. Better than being at home doing nothing, because I'd only be at home streaming my games if I was at home. That's just boring. But yeah, catch you later, people. Cool. Thanks a lot. It's like an old church hall, isn't it? It's like an old church hall. Imagine a church, little British church meeting here. Yeah, Kate and Kyle.